While Washington's tech sanctions are heavily focused on cutting off China's access to extreme ultraviolet lithography from Europe, Beijing has quietly engineered a devastating materials science flank maneuver that threatens to turn the billions spent on Western export controls into historical waste. For over half a century, the entire semiconductor industry has relied on organic plastic substrates as the fundamental scaffolding to hold and connect computing chips. However, as the artificial intelligence gold rush demands massive interconnected clusters of chiplets drawing unprecedented amounts of power, these traditional plastic foundations are hitting a brutal physical dead end, literally warping and tearing microconnections under extreme thermal stress. Realizing that fighting over shrinking transistors was a trap, China's Ministry of Science launched a highly coordinated state-backed tech offensive. They abandoned plastic entirely to pioneer the world's first commercially scalable glass substrates, bypassing the lithography blockade by shifting the war from printing circuits to advanced chemical packaging. This is not everyday fragile glass, but an ultra-dense, engineered semiconductor substrate processed with micrometer precision, completely immune to thermal expansion. While Western giants like Intel have treated glass as a distant, futuristic R&D project targeted for the end of the decade, China rapidly weaponized its massive domestic display ecosystem. By forming a powerful state-backed glass consortium led by display titan BOE in Huawei's research wings, China successfully adapted automated industrial assembly lines originally built for high-end OLED screens to manufacture advanced chip foundations. This strategic pivot allows China to pack 10 times more routing density onto a single platform, effectively unlocking massive AI compute speeds using existing older generation lithography nodes. The Western tech establishment is suddenly awakening to a terrifying reality. While they were busy guarding the front door of silicon manufacturing, China silently built an entirely new glass back door to global artificial intelligence.
To understand why this material shift has caused such a massive structural panic in Silicon Valley, one must look at the hidden physical crisis destroying the West's most advanced artificial intelligence accelerators. Modern AI workloads no longer run on single monolithic processors. Instead, they rely on massive chiplet architectures, gargantuan complexes where computing cores, graphics engines, and high-bandwidth memory stacks are crammed onto a single platform. When these hardware beasts train next-generation large language models, they draw massive amounts of power, generating localized, apocalyptic heat spikes that fluctuate in fractions of a second. Under this intense thermal cycling, the traditional organic plastic substrates currently used by Western giants like NVIDIA and AMD begin to microscopically warp, expanding and contracting unevenly. Because the nanoscale copper highways connecting these chiplets are thinner than a human DNA strand, even a 1-micron shift in the plastic base permanently tears the electrical connections, instantly turning a $40,000 AI GPU into an unfixable block of dead silicon. This structural vulnerability is where China's targeted materials offensive lands a fatal blow to Western supply chains. While Western tech giants have spent billions trying to solve this warpage crisis by adding complex liquid cooling loops and heavy structural reinforcement, Chinese engineers recognized that the entire organic foundation was a sinking ship. Glass possesses a coefficient of thermal expansion that almost perfectly matches the silicon chip sitting on top of it, remaining completely rigid and dead flat even under maximum thermal stress. This structural absolute stability allows semiconductor designers to shrink the spacing between data pathways to unprecedented levels, unlocking a staggering 10-fold increase in interconnect density. While Western hyperscalers are struggling with systemic hardware degradation and skyrocketing cooling costs, Chinese aggressive transition to glass core integration enables them to bypass the memory wall and maintain continuous, unbroken data pipelines at double the efficiency. completely neutralizing the physical advantages of the West's sanction-protected silicon manufacturing nodes.
The unfolding battle over glass substrates has triggered an unprecedented trillion-dollar industrial restructuring across the global semiconductor supply chain, catching Western tech giants completely off guard. While American champion Intel scrambles to adjust its strategy, recently committing a staggering $3.3 billion alongside 3D glass solutions to construct massive advanced packaging plants in India and retrofitting its Rio Rancho facility in New Mexico, they are hitting a brutal reality. Their commercial volume production is bottlenecked until closer to 2028 or 2030. In stark contrast, Beijing has leveraged its global dominance in flat panel displays to systematically hijack the entire industry. Leading Chinese display titans, including BOE and Visionox, have successfully engineered an aggressive domestic supply chain by repurposing their massive existing LCD and OLED manufacturing infrastructure for semiconductor packaging. Instead of working with traditional round silicon wafers, Chinese fabs have uniquely scaled up to massive square panel-level packaging, demonstrating the capability to process giant 515 by 510 millimeter glass sheets. This sheer scale dramatically slashes manufacturing costs and fundamentally narrows the tech gap with South Korea and the United States in crucial through-glass via laser etching, threatening to replicate TSMC's historic rise by monopolizing the next-generation packaging market. This quiet material coup has completely rewritten the geopolitical chessboard of the artificial intelligence arms race. For years, Western export restrictions operated under the comfortable assumption that without Europe's advanced lithography systems, China's domestic AI hardware development would inevitably choke. However, by shifting the battleground to advanced glass core integration, China has effectively neutralized the physical limitations of their older generation chips, linking them together on ultra-stable glass foundations to match or exceed the compute performance of Western silicon. As global tech titans like TSMC frantically try to catch up with their own glass initiatives by 2028, the market is entering a critical turning point, where the country controlling the base materials dictates the future of global intelligence. The traditional era of silicon-only computing has hit its physical limits, and as the world transitions into an artificial intelligence economy, the entire digital universe is being built on an entirely new, unyielding foundation of Chinese glass, leaving the West to realize they didn't lose the tech war on the front lines, but at the very bottom of the chip.
If you want to stay ahead of the curve and witness how the global tech war unfolds behind closed doors, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel right now, and hit the notification bell. China just shattered the old rules of the semiconductor game, and we are just getting started covering it. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Is the West officially running out of time? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.